Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went there? Or struggled to remember someone's name you just heard? Don't worry, you're not alone. Forgetfulness happens to all of us. But here's the truth. Memory is not fixed. It's like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. Now imagine having a razor-sharp memory. You remember names instantly, recall important details in meetings, and even keep track of small things that others forget. People start to admire you, trust you, and see you as more capable, just because your memory works better than theirs. In this video, I'll share 9 powerful exercises to train your brain. These are science-backed methods anyone can do, no matter your age. If you practice them daily, your memory, focus, and mental clarity will grow stronger than ever before. So let's begin our journey of sharpening the most powerful tool we all have, our brain. Exercise 1. Meditation and mindfulness. Your brain is constantly flooded with information. Notifications, conversations, thoughts. It's chaos inside. Meditation is like pressing the reset button. When you meditate, you train your brain to focus on one thing, your breath, a sound, or a single thought. Over time, this sharpens concentration, which directly improves memory. Studies show that people who practice mindfulness meditation regularly have stronger working memory. How to do it? Start with 5 minutes daily. Sit in a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Each time your mind wanders, gently bring it back. Mini story. A busy lawyer I knew struggled with remembering case details. He started meditating 10 minutes every morning. Within weeks, he noticed he could recall laws, client details, and facts with much more clarity. Exercise 2. Visualization techniques. Your brain loves images more than words. That's why you remember faces better than names. Visualization uses this strength. Example, if you need to remember the name Rose, imagine a bright red rose in your mind. The image connects with the word, making it unforgettable. How to practice. When learning something new, create a mental picture. Use exaggeration. The funnier or stranger the image, the better it sticks. Mini example, a student remembered all planets by visualizing a funny cartoon story of them dancing in order. It worked better than memorizing plain words. Exercise 3. Chunking information. The human brain struggles with long strings of data, but it's great at remembering small chunks. For example, you remember a phone number as 030012345567, not as 030012345567. That's chunking. How to practice. Break down big information into 3 to 4 chunks. Group related ideas together. Story. A medical student preparing for exams learned hundreds of drugs. Instead of memorizing each individually, she grouped them by category. Exercise 4. Association and linking. Your brain remembers better when it connects new information with something familiar. This is called association. Example, if you meet a person named Sandy, link their name to an image of sand at the beach. Next time you see them, the memory of sand reminds you of Sandy. Linking method. Create funny stories that connect items together. If you want to remember a grocery list, milk, bread, eggs, imagine a giant egg sitting on a loaf of bread, drinking milk with a straw. The stranger the connection, the more powerful the memory. Exercise 5. Repetition and active recall. The oldest trick in the book, but still the most effective. Repetition strengthens memory, like lifting weights strengthens muscles. But here's the key. Don't just reread. Test yourself. This is called active recall. How to do it. After reading something, close the book and recall as much as possible. Space your repetitions. Review after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. Story: a student used active recall for vocabulary. Instead of reading the word list again and again, she covered the meanings and tested herself. Within weeks, she doubled her retention. Exercise 6. Physical exercise. Your brain and body are deeply connected. When you move your body, blood flow increases, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the brain. This boosts memory and learning. Best exercises for the brain: aerobic workouts, running, cycling, swimming, yoga and stretching, even simple walking daily. Mini research. Harvard studies show that people who exercise regularly perform better on memory and focus tests than those who don't. So remember, a healthy body builds a healthy brain. Exercise 7. Healthy diet and sleep. Your brain is only 2% of your body weight, but it uses 20% of your energy. That's why diet matters. Memory-boosting foods: walnuts and almonds, omega-3 fatty acids, blueberries, antioxidants, green leafy vegetables, dark chocolate in moderation, and don't forget sleep. During deep sleep, your brain organizes and stores memories. Without sleep, even the best memory techniques fail. Mini tip: 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep can boost recall more than hours of late-night cramming. Exercise 8. Learning new skills. Your brain loves challenges. When you learn something new, like a musical instrument, a new language, or painting, your brain creates fresh neural pathways. This improves flexibility and memory. Example: studies show that elderly people who learn new hobbies delay memory decline. The more new skills you learn, the sharper your brain becomes. So don't just repeat the old. Add something new to your life. Exercise 9. Writing and journaling. Writing is like carving thoughts into stone. When you write, you reinforce memory through both mental and physical effort. How to do it: keep a daily journal. Write what you learned each day. Use handwritten notes instead of only typing. Handwriting improves retention. Mini example: students who wrote lecture notes by hand remembered more than those who typed on laptops. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with exercises, these bad habits kill memory. Multitasking reduces focus and weakens recall. Stress: high cortisol damages brain cells. Skipping sleep ruins memory consolidation. Poor diet: junk food clogs the brain's efficiency. Conclusion: memory is not about talent. It's about training. The more you exercise your brain with meditation, visualization, chunking, linking, recall, physical fitness, good diet, learning new skills, and writing, the sharper it becomes. Think of your memory like a muscle. If you don't train it, it weakens. But if you practice these exercises day by day, your memory becomes a superpower. So here's my challenge to you. Starting today, pick at least 2 exercises and practice them daily. Whether it's meditation, journaling, or learning something new, just start. Because your brain is the most valuable tool you'll ever own. Sharpen it, and it will open doors to success, confidence, and opportunities you never imagined. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, don't just live with memory. Train your memory to live at its best.